Standard 10, Subject English, Lesson number 1.3, Wings of Courage. This lesson gives a powerful message of patriotism, feeling of oneness and sacrifice. Air Force Chief Marshal Arjun Singh, an icon of India's military history, will always be remembered as a war hero who successfully led a young IAF during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. He is the only officer to attain the highest post of Marshal, the Air Force equivalent to Army's 5-star Field Marshal. So fearless and exceptional pilot who had flown more than 60 different types of aircrafts. Arjun Singh was born on April 15, 1919 in Lailpur, Faisalabad, Pakistan. His first assignment was to fly Westland Wapiti biplanes. He has a wide spectrum of areas, who is even a quite efficient and excitable able leader. He was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross, that's DFC, was honored with the rank of Marshal on Republic Day in 2002. Y.B. Chavan, the Defence Minister, had written that Air Chief Marshal Arjun Singh is a jewel of a person, quite efficient and firm. He changed IAF into the most powerful air forces globally, which was the fourth biggest air force in the world. In the end of 1962 war, he was appointed as a Deputy Chief of Air Staff and became the Vice Chief of Air Staff in 1963. On August 1, 1964, Air Marshal of Air Force Arjun Singh took over the reins of IAF. Singh was the first Air Chief to keep his flying currency till CAS rank, that is Chief of Air Staff. Singh was awarded for Padma Bhushan for his sharp and intelligence leadership of the Air Force during the war. He remained a flyer to the end of his tenure in forward bases. He retired in August 1969, accepted the ambassadorship to Switzerland. He was the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi from December 1989 to December 1990. The government conferred the rank of Marshal of Air Force upon Arjun Singh in January 2002, making him the first and the only 5-star rank officer with Indian Air Force. Thank you.